Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of August. And first of all, national news. Mamata Banerjee said a mega rally in Kolkata on September 1 will open Durga Puja celebrations. Ex-Punjab Minister Bharat Bhushan Ashu arrested on corruption charges. Delhi recorded 625 new COVID cases, 7 deaths, positivity at 9.27%. Over 5,000 killed in road accidents caused by potholes in 2018 to 20, Transport Minister. Supreme Court to list play seeking review of Money Laundering Act order. India provided over 21,000 tons of urea to crisis hit Sri Lanka. Gujarat hikes compensation for soldiers killed in line of duty. The new compensation of rupees 1 crore is in line with the demands of ex-servicemen. Jagan Reddy seeks 10,000 crore from Centre for Andhra Irrigation Project. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant to be commissioned on September 2. And now some international news. Chinese ship that docked at Sri Lanka port left after 6 days. Steven Spielberg's private jet burned 92 lakh worth of fuel in 2 months. Lights to switch off at Shanghai's Bund as heat wave caused power cuts. Pak's ex-PM Imran Khan got protection from arrest in terrorism case. Indonesia's Bali hit by 5.5 earthquake. Residents seen exiting buildings. US governor visited Taiwan amid China tensions. And now some sports news. India completed series sweep against Zimbabwe as Sikandar Raja's ton goes in vain. Pakistan head coach opened up on losing Shaheen Afridi ahead of Asia Cup. World number 2 Alexander Zverev pulled out of US Open with ankle injury. And now news related to business. Sensex Nifty crashed 1.5% as global rate hike fears mount. Equity investors poorer by over rupees 6.57 lakh crore in 2 days. June tea output dropped 17% as floods hit plucking. Bajaj Housing Finance hikes rates by 0.5% follows LIC Housing Finance. Rupee hits 4-week intraday low as dollar rinds supreme on rate hike concern. L&T won contract from Indian Oil worth rupees 2,500 to 5,000 crore. Banks issued more certificates of deposits to secure cheap funding. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.